Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm chilling pretty much at home anyway, but the video is going to be kind of chill. So I'm going to try to kill two birds with one stone in this video. It's going to be hitting on kind of like a craft slash self-care type deal. That's a project that'll give you a little motivation for the year. So what it is a vision board. You can get the crafts and stuff really cheap. Supplies really cheap. I got mine at, well, the first time I did the project, I got the magazines and books from a thrift store, and I got the supplies from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show you a glimpse of it first, of the first one I did. Just a glimpse of it, because I was actually planning to do like a vision board party for the first of the year with a few friends and coworkers, but of course just time just got away from me, and I procrastinated, and now it's the 1st of March. I mean, it's not too late because I think I'm gonna do another one anyway. Well, of course I'm doing one today, but I'm gonna do another one halfway through the year to set new goals if I reach the ones that I already met, and just pretty much just put it out there. So a lot of people ask, well, what is a vision board? So of course I'm going to explain it first, just in case you don't have a good idea of what it is, and so you'll know exactly what to put on your vision board. I went to this article online. I'm going to link the article down below. I think it's pretty old. I forgot the date on it. But it says Vision Board 101, how to use this manifestation tool for you. So pretty much it's going to answer the question, what is a vision board? A vision board is a collage of visual words or images that represent the life you want to live, and quite literally, it is a tangible representation of the vision that you have for yourself. So along with making a vision board, you can know two things. You can have the tangible version, like the one I just showed you, that's on a poster board or bulletin board or anything like that, or you can have a digital vision board, which is of course your Pinterest. So a lot of people just go for that for recipes and ideas and cute like outfit ideas and stuff, but you can actually turn that into something inspirational, other than inspirational quotes. Just put all your ideas together that you can actually see and go to on your phone every day. So the question is, how does it work? So pretty much how it works is, I'm not going to read all of this because I'm not a plagiarizer, but pretty much I'm going to break it down. It's called a manifestation tool for one. So because of the law of attraction with the universe, you pretty much put it out there. So if you say, this is what I want, this is what I'm going to get, this is how I want to live, and things like that, if you put it on this board and visualize it and see it and write it every day, it'll pretty much attract you and focus your attention and energy on that specific thing so it can actually be reached. So I'm not going to point out which ones. Obviously, on my board, I haven't hit the better diet yet, but I tried at the beginning of the year, but I fell off. This is not the point. It's not about me. I'm trying to make this about you today. But other than that, it pretty much sums up 4 steps in the article. So step 1 would be to connect with your vision. It says to meditate, daydream, or journal about all the things you want to be, do, or have, and don't forget to consider multiple dimensions of your life. So pretty much that's saying consider all things that you want to reach out to today, both your love life, career, family, mental health, physical health, all of that good stuff. So in every aspect, if you want to visualize it better, pretty much put these things on a board so you can see it, attract yourself and your energy to it. Step 2 would be to gather your materials. Like I said, I got my stuff from the thrift stores and Dollar Tree and stuff around the house. So pretty much you need, if you're going to do it, the tangible, poster board, vision board, you can have scissors, tape, glue, pictures, whether they're photo pictures or pictures at the magazine or newspaper, and put it on the board. Cheap and easy, right? Step 3 would be to display it. So it's pretty much saying, once you have your vision board, pretty much hang it in view where you can see it every day. Don't feel like you need to stare at it every day. But if you're feeling kind of like miffed like I was today and yesterday, kind of glanced over at it, and I kind of realized like, it's like, hey, that did happen. This did happen, and I'm actually working toward this. So, it's kind of like, it's kind of working. Like, it's all in the belief that you put into things. You know, some people are religious, some people are not. They believe in the universe and the karma and all that type deal. This is what it is. So if you speak it, and it's another thing I got to point out that I actually picked up a lot of good things on today, but let me finish this last step on the vision board. It says, let the universe do its thing. It says, once you have clarified your vision and made your vision board, your job is to simply look at it often and trust that the universe will provide you with the opportunities to manifest each and everything you truly desire. Hold these images in your awareness on a regular basis and say yes to the opportunities and present themselves to you, and the dreams of your life will come true. Will come true to life. It says, as you come up with new ideas and inspirations, feel free to add to the board anytime. Your vision board can be made flexible and be a fluid representation of your desires as they shift and morph around your life and throughout your life. So pretty much, and actually it's saying what I just said, and I didn't read this article fully. It says you can complete a new vision board every 6 to 12 months. And be sure that it's current, inspiring, and up to date with your values and priorities. So there you go. And I didn't even read the whole article, and I said that. But yeah, I'm thinking with it being March, so it's like a quarter way through the year, it's a good time to make a new board and see what I did hit and what I hadn't started on, as far as my goals and personal ways I want to, like, not cope, but self-care. Basically, it's just pretty much how I want to do better, be better, and have better. So I stopped at Dollar General today. I actually went in for one thing, and of course they had a good sale and a lot of good deals, so I couldn't pass them up. I made amazing deals. So I'm gonna show you a few things. I want to show you all of them because I got everything for exactly $2, including tax. So this is going to be a part of my whole self-care and being responsible and trying to be an adult type vibe I got going for the year that I'm actually going to try to work on. So with the smaller things, I can't really show them because some of them are laminated and my light's going to reflect. But I got these 2 monthly planners. I got these both for 15 cents. I got this little vinyl cover weekly planner. I'm going to write down my schedules and stuff like that in there because I plan on grinding, getting to the bag, a little shmoney, extra much shmoney this year. And these 2-year planners, and one has a little kitty on it, but I don't want to show the glare of my light, so I thought that was so cute. So I got these for 7 cents each. The 2 monthly planners for 15 cents, and I got the weekly planner for 30 cents. Now this was really cute. It was actually broken. It's like a little stretchy cord that closes your binder, but it's broken, but I'm gonna fix it, and I couldn't pass it up for the deal. It was 30 cents, and I thought it was really cute with the pink flowers being my favorite color. It says home finance and bill organizer, so I thought that was really, really cute with the whole responsible thing that I'm doing. I can have my bills in here. I pretty much try to keep up with my bills anyway. Well, I do. I don't have many. I really have 1 bill a month. Thank God. I think it's really cute. It tells you the due date, the amount you paid, and the amount that's due in expenses and all that other stuff. So that's really cute. I'm going to use that most definitely. I really went into the store for it because a girl at work let me use one of hers because I was bored. It's a word search. And I was like, okay, it's $1, okay. And when he rung it up, I got it for 20 cents. Okay, that's something that keep my mind going. I really was going to plan on doing it tonight because it ain't really too much on Netflix that I haven't seen, or it's a couple shows I need to catch up on. But I said I'm gonna walk. I just saw walk, so that's why I already saw a word. But I said I'm gonna do that tonight, got some music on after I take a hot shower and do that. I know that's kind of lame for a Saturday night, but whatever. The last things I got were 4 calendars, and I got them for 15 cents each. So that's 60 cents. And one is a Psalms calendar. It has verses on it. Of course, I got a cat calendar. Meow. Of course, I got a flowers calendar. That's super pretty. And I got one that's tropical beaches. It's a 16-month calendar. All of them are 16-month calendars, but they were marked for $1, and I got them all for 60 cents. So along with like my vision board, that's why I got this stuff, so I can write it down put into the universe, let it manifest, come true, attract me to being responsible even more. Now that I've rambled on long enough, let's get to making this board, okay?